Stress is something we've all felt. Maybe your heart races, your stomach feels off, or your head starts to ache. But did you know stress doesn't just affect how you feel? When it sticks around for too long, it can start to harm your health. A little stress here and there isn't all bad. It can help you stay sharp in certain moments, like when you're solving a problem or meeting a deadline. But when stress becomes part of your everyday life, it can take a real toll on your body, your brain, and how you feel overall. In this video, we'll uncover exactly how stress affects your body, brain, and even your DNA. We'll also share practical tips to manage stress and reverse its effects. So stick around. You won't want to miss the tools that could help you feel better and protect your health for years to come. Stress triggers a chain reaction in your body. It all starts in your brain, which sends a signal to your adrenal glands to release hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones prepare your body for action. Your heart beats faster, your blood pressure rises, and your muscles tighten. This is called the fight-or-flight response, and it's helpful in emergencies. But when this stress response happens too often, it begins to take a toll. Over time, stress hormones can harm your blood vessels and your heart, increasing the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even heart attacks or strokes. And the effects don't stop there. Stress can disrupt your digestion, weaken your immune system, and even affect your brain. Stress doesn't just stay in your mind. It affects your entire body in ways you might not expect. When stress sticks around for too long, it can cause a range of problems that impact your health from head to toe. Take your digestive system, for example. Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach before a big event? That's stress at work. But when it's constant, it can upset digestion, causing issues like heartburn, bloating, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Stress can even disturb the balance of healthy bacteria in your gut, which play a key role in digestion and overall health. Stress also influences your weight. When you're stressed, your body craves comfort foods like sugary snacks or carb-heavy treats. That's because cortisol, the stress hormone, tells your body to refuel. But those extra calories often turn into deep belly fat, which isn't just about appearance. It increases your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and chronic inflammation. Your heart and blood vessels also feel the strain. High levels of cortisol over time can damage your cardiovascular system, raising your risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. And here's something surprising. Stress can even impact your DNA. Studies on animals have shown that how we respond to stress can leave a lasting mark that's passed down to future generations. For example, pups from nurturing mother rats developed brains better equipped to handle stress, while pups from less nurturing moms became more sensitive to it. These changes didn't stop with one generation. They continued across multiple ones. Managing stress is about more than just feeling better. It's about protecting your health, now and for years to come. But did you know stress can also weaken your body's natural defenses? Think of your immune system as your body's personal defense team, always on guard to protect you from illness. In small doses, stress can give it a temporary boost, helping your body prepare for a challenge. But when stress becomes a constant part of life, it starts to weaken those defenses. Chronic stress makes you more likely to catch colds, get infections, and heal more slowly from injuries. Over time, it wears down your body's ability to fight off illness, leaving you more vulnerable to health problems. Stress doesn't stop there. It even speeds up the aging process. Studies have found that chronic stress can shorten your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that keep your cells healthy. When these caps shrink, your cells age faster, and so do you. This means managing stress is not just about feeling better. It's about staying healthier and younger for longer. But stress doesn't stop at your body. It can also change the way your brain works and even shrink important parts of it over time. Long-term stress doesn't just take a toll on your body, it affects your brain in profound ways. It all starts with something called the hypothalamus-pituitary-adrenal (HPA) axis, which acts like your brain's alarm system. When your brain senses a threat, the HPA axis kicks into gear and releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is helpful in small doses, getting you ready to act quickly. But when cortisol levels stay high for too long, it starts to cause trouble. High cortisol overworks your amygdala, the part of your brain that processes fear, making it more sensitive. At the same time, it weakens your hippocampus, which is responsible for memory, learning, and stress control. As the hippocampus becomes weaker, your brain struggles to shut off the stress response, leaving you stuck in a cycle of tension and worry. Chronic stress can even shrink parts of your brain, like the prefrontal cortex. This is the area that helps you focus, make decisions, and manage social interactions. When it shrinks, these abilities suffer. Over time, this can lead to problems like anxiety, depression, and even an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Managing stress isn't just about improving your mood. It's essential for protecting your brain and maintaining your ability to think clearly, learn, and remember. Many of the effects of stress can be reversed with a few simple, effective strategies. Simple habits like exercise and meditation are powerful tools to fight stress. Exercise helps reduce cortisol levels, boosts your mood, and improves your overall health. Meditation, on the other hand, calms your mind and helps you focus. Together, these activities can even grow your hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. And while stress can't always be avoided, it can be managed. Here are a few simple ways to help both your mind and body. Take a deep breath. Slow, deep breaths can calm your nervous system. Move your body. Exercise releases feel-good chemicals that help counteract stress. Connect with others. Spending time with friends or loved ones can ease your mind. Get enough rest. Sleep is essential for your body to recover and handle challenges. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. Recognizing how it impacts your brain and body is the first step. From there, simple changes like staying active, practicing deep breathing, or taking moments to relax can make a big difference. Remember, you have the power to manage stress before it manages you. Stress is unavoidable, but it doesn't have to make you sick. By understanding its effects and taking steps to manage it, you can protect your health and improve your overall well-being. Take care of yourself. Your health and happiness are worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you'd like to support us, consider using the Super Thanks button below. Also, check out our merchandise store for products designed to inspire and support your wellness journey. There's something for everyone. The link is in the description below. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to manage stress? Let us know in the comments below. We can all learn from each other